Hello guys, I hope you have enjoyed the last session about binary search. So today we are going to see how we can implement bubble sort algorithm by using Python. First, let's understand what is binary sort algorithm. Bubble sort is a simple sorting algorithm where its working principle is based on the comparison between each pair of adjacent elements, and if those adjacent elements are not in order, the algorithm swaps them automatically. However, this algorithm is not suitable for a large data set as it's average and the case sensitive at O(n) square, where n is the number of items. So how this algorithms works? First, it will take two adjacent elements, then it make a comparison. If it finds them to be not in order, it swaps them. So let's see now how we can implement this algorithm by using Python program. First, let me define a function called bubble sort. Then I provide the argument as array or a list. First, we calculate the length of the given array. Then for the given length of an array of list, the number of swapping that should happen on maximum should be equal to n minus 1. Therefore, I will say for I in range from 0 up to n minus 1, then I look for all of elements for j in range from 0 up to n minus 1. For each iteration, the last element is sorted. Therefore, I don't need to do the further swapping or comparison for the last element because it is in the base order. Then I have to keep it as it is. Then I have to check if array j, if the first element is greater than the next element, what I do, I have to swap them. So now the program is ended. So let me try to define an array of 64, 35, 36, 17, 25, 12, 11, 18. So let me now call the bubble sort function I pass array as the argument, then I run it. Check here, I have double B. Okay, let me remove one, run it again. Okay, for easy verification, if the array is sorted, let me return array. I run it again. This one I have 11, 12, 17, 25. The array is sorted. Let me change it again. I provide the other number like -1, 9, 0. Let me run it again. You see now the elements are sorted. Guys, this is the end of the session. I hope you have enjoyed the session. Let's meet in the next session, but don't forget to click on subscribe, share, and like. Bye.